In this video, I will show you how you can handle errors while using VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. So let's start with the VLOOKUP. Just select the cell, apply the VLOOKUP function, that is equal to VLOOKUP. For lookup value, we will select this, comma. In table array, we will choose the table, comma. Our column index will be 2, comma, and for the match we will choose the false, bracket close, enter. Now what we'll do, we'll change the name. Now we'll get this error. How to fix this error? So for that we will double click on this, and here we are going to apply if error function. Then in the end we need to give a comma, and we need to open quote and write not found, quote close, bracket close, enter. Now you get the not found instead of the error. Now let's see how we can handle the same situation in XLOOKUP. Select the cell, apply XLOOKUP is equal to XLOOKUP, select the lookup value, give a comma, select the range, comma, then select the position range, bracket close, enter. Here you got the position of the column. Now what we will do, we'll change the name, and here we have an error. How we can handle this in XLOOKUP? Double click on this. Now what you need to do, at the end put a comma, open double quote, here just write not found, quote close, enter. So this is how you can handle errors in VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe.